Hello everyone, this is Clovis from the Fritzen Lab blog and one more video for you. Today we are going to talk about capacitive sensors, debouncing, and the RE4M1 Seed Studio XIAL board. So let's begin with capacitive touch. This is a capacitive touch sensor, a TTP223B. The chip itself is in there, it's this small thing in there, 6 pins. This is the touch area. This is where you touch with your finger or whatever, like a pen, a finger. There are 3 pins, the VCC, which is like 3.3 volts, GND, which is 0 volts, and signal or signal, which is the on and off when you touch the sensor. The sensor is connected to this little board in here. I made the board myself using a Seed Studio XIAL RE4M1, which is a Renesas semiconductors microcontroller. The touch sensor is connected to pin D8, which is the green wire that you see in there. And then there's a LED, a blue LED connected to D7, to the pin D7. I made a debounce code. So debouncing is actually protecting a input against false ons and offs. Is to guarantee or to make sure that the input's gonna action or be actioned only once when you touch it. If you observe myself touching the sensor and the LED, so I'm touching, the LED goes on, the LED goes off, the LED goes off, the LED goes on. I'm touching once. If I keep touching, I'm still touching. I have my finger on top of the sensor. Nothing happens because of the debounce. I made a code so that when I keep my finger on top of the sensor, nothing happens. So this is the bounce. The microcontroller doesn't matter. I'm using this RE4M1 because I have one, but you could use like whatever microcontroller that runs Arduino. If you want to have the code for this experiment and more information about it, go to fritzenlab.net or fritzenlab.com.br. Again, fritzenlab.net or fritzenlab.com.br. See you next time, guys.